Hello guys, welcome on this video. I'm Jarek and I'm so excited to be with you in this lesson. So in this lesson I'm gonna show you how to connect local projects to remote repository, to GitHub remote repository. Here we get started by creating a folder using command line interface. It's a quick way to navigate to any directory you want very easily. Gonna create detail to will be folder of our projects. We'll navigate to our folder we have created. We'll open our VS Code. We're gonna start by creating index.html file which we put all our basic codes that we need to push on our Git repository. I'm gonna show the quick way to generate HTML5 template version. Here you see automatically it gives you the HTML5 versions by writing the only HTML, then from the drop down you add additional HTML. Yeah, this way it's called Zend Coding. You see I'm writing OL greater than LI times 5 just means the 5. I need 5 children to this OL tags as parrots tags, and this quick way is called the multi-cast editing. You see on my computer I click on Alt, you click for every line, each line to activate cursor. After activate cursor on each line, I'm able to edit all lines at the same time. You see, just instead of writing line per line for each line, gonna do it at the same time. Kindly request you to focus on this video. I'm gonna show you great feature that's needed for beginner developer. Features can help you to develop your project very quickly and easy way. Right, you see these icons. Choose an icon depend on what platform you want to deal with. You see you're able to deal with Docker, database. Yeah, we select this icon like a tree is GitHub. This icon it has all necessary options about dealing with Git. You see, I'm able to commit So we added an additional JavaScript file. Confirm. This will pop up the window to report to user to so user to enter something. Say praise code to codes commit on to push on GitHub. So I'm gonna show you the Git feature. This feature will help you to watch your changes. The preview, also to preview your changes. Even without using a browser, you are able to preview your web page inside the VS Code. When you already installed this feature, you are able to, only what you have to do is to code, and the changes will be affected automatically in the browser without need to go in the browser to do refresh again and again. You see, we'll do right click and open LiveServer. Will automatically open our project in the web browser. You see, for every change we make, will automatically affect in your web browser without need to refresh, just watching your changes that you're making. That's enough for we commit these codes, and this commit message will be displayed when we have pushed these codes in Git repository. Here we add another line is footer. Footer is most important part on any web pages. Copyright, you see, HTML editors. Yeah, span has any behavior. We put in div, put inside the div. Extension, view extension. Navigate on these tabs when you want to add the additional extension, when you want to install new feature, to integrate new feature in your VS Code, to become a code editor for super developer, right? Yeah, here I think it's connection problem. But I'm gonna show you another useful great feature which will help you to organize your codes. You see, when you are a developer, you have to make sure that your codes are well arranged are organized very well without code that looks unreadable. When you already installed, you are able to how to use it. See HTML formatter. There is another great feature. For me, my favorite one, I would like to use right here. You have to use it. You are able to choose, select, format select by section, right click, format section. This will format the line which I have selected. You see, let me make it the same disorder. Right after format, my codes will be well arranged. Even when there is many codes, even 100 lines, you will be able to select right click to format all document. All document will become well arranged. This code, I think it's enough. I will comment. This video, our purpose is to show you how to connect the local project to Git Remote Repository. First task, don't forget to commit with message. Message will accompany your task, where any developer on the world, when he's or she's filling your project, will understand what your project was, or what your action was aiming to. So suppose what you're doing. We need to create a repository which will connect to our local projects. Wait a little bit. And as I can tell you, the GT is a platform that will organize your code and keep your versions of your code to allow you to collaborate with the developers around the world. I'm gonna show you how you can make projects private or public. You're about to see here. First, we have to fill repository name. When someone asks you to share your project, we see this name as a deployed. Description, you will fill will describe your project, right? For someone else to understand very easily what about your project. That's enough. The next one, you see these options, public and private. When you have set private, your project will only seen by you, not someone else able to see your project. Right, if you want to initialize the readme file, right, after create, you will see your repository is empty. You see this URL by using HTTPS or SSL. But when what you need to concern here, when you're gonna connect remote repository to local project, you select this URL, start with HTTPS. Then you come on view, command palette. If you want to search only bar with remote, you will see all commands about GitHub. I'm gonna paste this URL, start with HTTPS. The next one, you will ask it to fill repository name. Remember when you was creating GitHub account, and this remote lab is your username, particular username, your username on GitHub. Right. Yeah, I will try to commit. I mean to push our codes. Right, host not to be resolved. Yeah, I think I already connected. That's why I'm told you then already exist. Yeah, I will try to push our codes. You see progress bar if we end up to show that our code is already successfully to be pushed on GitHub. We'll wait a little bit. Yeah, finish. I'll check on our Git repository. Boom, you see our code is already pushed. This is our codes. You are able to add something if you want to edit through GitHub. You see this is our commit message, and the minutes ago or seconds ago. Yep guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll try to be with you. I recommend you to thumbs up, to like this video and share and subscribe. I will see you again in the upcoming video. Take care.